Hi everyone, welcome to this short yet comprehensive playlist on command prompt, or also we call CMD. The idea for this playlist came from my personal experience using CMD in real world project where I realized how essential it is. Whether you are a student or working professional, mastering these basic command will give you an edge and make your task much easier. So without further delay, let's get started. So guys, under command prompt, all essential topic I have segregated in two heads. First one is basic, why CMD is important. Second one is built-in command prompt. And for better understanding, further I have classified them into five groups. That is screen and utility command. Second one is navigation, and similarly for direction management, file management, and system management and path. In upcoming videos, we are going to see all one by one with full comprehensive detail and its utility, practical utility. So for this, you have to have patience and stay tuned with my upcoming videos. And thank you for seeing this video till the end. Thank you so much.